Believe me, I do not name the titles. So when it says Systems with a Vengeance, I don't name them. So you're going to still write systems and you're still going to solve them. It's day 3. So usually what you're going to do is take them a sentence at a time. So one number is less than 5 times another. Anytime we do one number, we're going to have him X. Okay, the other number is going to be Y. Is equals. Remember that then sends it to the back. So you have X equals 5Y, 5 times the other number. Their difference is 22. X minus Y equals 22. You now have a 2 equations with 2 unknowns. You have X equals. I'm going to do substitution. These are my setups. I kind of box them in, so if I have to go make some adjustments, I know where to go. And I do substitution, so 5y minus 6 minus y equals 22. Four y minus 6 equals 22. Add 6, 4y equals 28, y equals 7. If y is 7, x has to be bigger because when I subtract it I get to 22, so x minus y equals 22, x minus 7 equals 22, add 7, x equals 29. There's my x, there's my numbers. If I do so those are my numbers. Okay, the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 46 feet. That means I'm doing 2 W's and 2 L's. Perimeter equals 2W plus 2L, and I know that that's 46. The length of the garden, the length is 5 feet less than 3 times the width. Remember that the then sends it to the back. And I have this P, but I already actually know what that P is. That P is 46. There I have 2 equations, 2 unknowns. And I'm going to use substitution. This is what I built. 46 equals 2W plus 2 times 3W minus 5. 46 equals 2W plus 6W minus 5. Oh, minus 10. Almost blew the distributive property. 46 equals 8W minus 10. Add 10. 56 equals 8W. 7 times 8 is 56, so W equals 7. Have to find the area. Oh, the area of the garden. Oh, to find the area. So, got to find length and width and then do area. Crazy. So, I do L equals 3 times 7 minus 5 equals 21. 21 minus 5, which is 16. So there's my length. Now my area equals length times width, which is 16 times 7, which is 112 feet squared, or square feet. So in all of that, that's what we're looking for. So make sure when you are doing these that you are answering the question that they ask. Jill collects nickels and quarters. Her bank holds 30 coins amounting to 510. We've seen something like this before. We saw dimes and nickels. Now we have nickels and quarters. So we have nickels plus quarters equals 30. We have 0.05 plus 0.25 Q, oh, I forgot my variables, equals 510. I don't like decimals. I'm going to multiply everything by 100. Just don't like them. N plus Q equals 30. 5N plus 25Q equals 510. I don't like the bigger number on bottom because I'm going to make it disappear. So I'm going to flip them. I'm going to do 5N plus 25Q equals 510. N plus Q equals 30. I'm going to multiply everybody by 5. So that's 5N plus 5Q plus 150. I know, I shouldn't have done that, but that's how I do it. And then I subtract because I'm doing elimination. And I get 20Q equals 360. So Q equals 18. And I actually needed quarters. Adult tickets to a basketball game cost $5 and students cost $3, and all 90 tickets were sold for a total of $334. How many adult tickets were sold? Money, money, money. Object, object, object. There we go. Money, money, money. 5 for adults and 3 for, I don't like S's because S's become 5s. So I'm going to do children equals 334. Adults and children equal 90. I like playing with 5s better than I like playing with 3s. Going to multiply this by 5. So I'm going to have 5 adults plus 3 children equals 334. 5 adults plus 5 children equals 450. Oh, I got the negative in the bottom again. I'm going to subtract. I'm going to change the signs. Negative 2C equals 450. I'm going to mess up the subtraction. I know it. And oh, I'm gonna erase that because I'm gonna go back and it says how many adults. I'm gonna solve for adults. I'm gonna solve for adults. Yes, I could do it and then figure out and subtract from 90, but we might as well do for adults now. So if I multiply everybody by 3 and eliminate the children, if we eliminate this variable, then the adults will stay. I'm going to do 5A plus 3C equals 334. 3A plus 3C equals 270. Change the signs. 2A equals 64. A equals 32. I could have proceeded the way I did it, found the children, then subtracted it from 90, added a couple of steps. How many adult tickets were sold? Yes. So, next one. Jason and a group of friends went out to eat pizza on 2 different occasions. The first time the bill was $21 for 4 Cokes and 2 medium pizzas. The second time it was that for 6 Cokes and 4 medium pizzas. What would be 1 Coke and 1 pizza? So it just wants the value of the Coke and the pizza. Solve for both variables. Okay, so first time 4 Cokes plus 2 pizzas equals $21.14. 6 Cokes plus 4 pizzas equals $39.70. Going to get rid of, sorry, didn't mean to do that. I'm going to get rid of the pizza. I'm going to eliminate the pizzas and solve for the Cokes. So I'm going to multiply the top by 2. So 8 Cokes plus 4 pizzas equals 42.28. And 6 Cokes plus 4 pizzas equals 39.70. Gonna change the sign for elimination. 2 Cokes equals $2.58. 1 Coke equals $1.29. Then I'm going to substitute it into the top one. So I have 4 times $1.29 plus 2 pizzas equals $21.14. This is $5.16 plus 2 pizzas equals $21.14. Subtract the $5.16. 2 pizzas equals $15.98. 1 pizza equals $7.99. So I have the Cokes, I have the pizzas, and I would have to come up here and say Cokes are $1.29. Pizzas are $7.99. And that is how you are going to do systems with applications.